Is your home screen a mess? It's the first thing you see every time you pick up your phone, so why not make it look beautiful? Today, I'm showing you how to transform your phone from a cluttered mess into a minimalist, aesthetic masterpiece in under 3 minutes. Let's dive in. First of all, let me remove all the added widgets on home screen and custom icons. In this tutorial I will explain 3 things: how to choose wallpaper, and second, how to put beautiful background matching widgets for free, and how to put custom items. All these steps are absolutely for free. Step 1. First, I will tell you how you can change wallpaper and where do you get aesthetic wallpapers for free. Click on Android phone settings and then click on Personalize or Wallpaper settings. I'm picking wallpaper from my Photos folder or usually Gallery. This mobile is Moto. Let me pick this wallpaper, then click on Set and choose Home Screen. Now the wallpaper is set on home screen, but where do you can download these wallpapers? Open Pinterest app. If you don't have, just download from Play Store. And search for aesthetic wallpapers. Here you can download free wallpapers. Now choose pink option at top. Here choose a wallpaper which you like the most. Click on that so that you will find 3 dots at the bottom. Click and choose download option so that the image gets downloaded to your gallery or my photos folder. And you can apply this image as your wallpaper, which I already explained earlier. We are done with the wallpaper. Now step 2, we will see how to add beautiful widgets on your home screen. For this we need an app called KWGT. Open Play Store and install KWGT app. Now on home screen, give a long press until you see Widgets option. Click on Widgets. And scroll down until you find KWGT widget, and here choose length of the widget, which you want to put on home screen. Drag and drop this widget on home screen and click on that. And here download a pack called Coda for Custom or any pack of your choice. Just tap on a package and install from Play Store. Again, come back to KWGT app and now from installed packages, choose a widget of your choice. But here you can find different types of widgets like time and date, calendar, quotes, and many other. You can just scroll until you find your favorite widget, what you want to keep it on the home screen. So I am choosing this one, so you can change the background or you can apply many effects. You can customize the widget according to your wish. Now I am just showing you the result, what you can observe on the home screen.
Yeah.
Now I will try to press on the home screen again and I will try to add one more widget from the KWGT, so now I'll be choosing a different size. I will just drag it and dropping it on the home screen, and click on that widget. I'll go to Install Packages and click on the Visit Now. I'll choose this widget, OK. I'll just save it and let me go to the home screen and see here and the transparency and other settings you can customize, OK. Now it is showing a bit light. So let me remove this app. Likewise, you can add one or more widgets to home screen to make it look beautiful. Now we'll see how we can change the icons. There is an app called X Icon Changer. If it is already available on your mobile, it is fine. If not, just try to open Play Store and search X Icon Changer. Get the app for free, but you need to watch some video ads. I'll try to find the Instagram app here and I will try to click on the photo and I choose gallery, and from gallery you can use a custom icon. These icon I downloaded from Canva app. Any picture you can keep. Say for example, to add this picture, you need to watch the ad, and she had is the ad. You can click on add here so that gets added to the home screen. I will try to change the next icon. Say for example, now this time I choose the phone dialer app. For this I'll click on photo then gallery and choose one of the icons from my gallery app. This icons I downloaded from the Canva app. Now I will choose this one, the shape you can choose. Click on done, click on OK. And now I will rearrange the icons where I want it on home screen. So you can move the icons, just press and hold for few seconds and you can rearrange the icons wherever you want. Now I will try to change the icons of 2 more apps on my mobile, and now we can get the final look of what I have shown you in the start of this video. So the procedure is same. You can open the X icon changer app, then choose the app which you want to change the icon for, then click on photo, then click on gallery, then you need to watch the video, and then you can change. So see here. I just changed 2 more apps icons here, so I will be placing. So this look is perfectly fine and the aesthetic look is perfectly fine. And not only this, you can also remove the names the apps. Just open X icon changer app. And choose the app which you want to rename. Click on this edit icon symbol, here edit, and just remove the name and click on OK at the top. That's it. See here, now this Instagram app doesn't have the name. So this way, you can customize your home screen and make it look really beautiful and unique from others. If you want to add few more widgets, you can add. You can make your home screen look even more beautiful. You can get to install any widgets from the available packages. I will try to add one more here, one more final time, and I just say it. Let us look at the home screen. I'll just try to add one more from this available widgets. Maybe this one. Yes, I will be clicking on save. Let us look at the home screen now. Yes, this is the final look of the entire home screen, and please do comment how do you feel about this, and please do like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.